Good afternoon, everyone. It is 5:25 on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. Monday, the 10th of March, 2025. Mother Nature is letting us know who is in charge out here again. As you can see, there's fresh snow out on the mountains. It was 10 degrees and sunny earlier on, and now it is 8 degrees and snowing up in the hills. Of course, we say mountains here. OMG, Mother Nature is a BTCH, and she's letting us know. Monday. Anyways, that's all we've got. Hopefully we don't have to shovel it. And birds aren't liking it. They're trying to nest. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Any more weather updates we'll update. Hopefully the snow stays on the top of the mountains, and maybe we'll get some rain down here. We do need it. It's getting a little dusty. So take care, stay safe, and peace out.